Hi YouTube, welcome to Wespicks. Been a while since I did a picking video. I thought I would because I made this the other day. A bit dirty, but it's a free-handed kind of offset hybrid with an artificial wood, coloured wood, which smells a bit funny when you cut it. It looks like a plywood, but it's certainly not wood when you cut it. An all-lock tool steel. So I thought, anyway, while we got it here, let's give it a go. So we've got this lovely little 1100. Very nice bitting on the key. And I thought we'd see how well, there we go, how well this pick will open it. So anyway, I'm going to use top of the keyway, a little titanium top and bottom tensioner that I made a while ago. So anyway, see how we go on. Get them in view. So start on number 1. Click on 1. Little click on 4. Little click on 5, nothing on 2, another click on 5, another click on 5. Okay, number 2 is binding, little click on 2, try and get another one on number 1. I think number 1's set. Something not working right, so try again. Schoolboy error. One, 2, 4, 5. 2 clicks out of 5. Back to number 2. Good click off 2, another click off of 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5, back to number 2, nothing on 2, there you go, number 3 it was. Sorry, a bit shit and slow. Out of practice. But there you go, that was the Wespicks kind of coloured wood, not wood, picking the 1100. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll hopefully do another video very soon. Take care.